Good morning, students. Now I am going to teach second lesson, the social studies second lesson. For third class students, be careful, okay? Second lesson, the earth, our home. In the previous lesson we studied about earth, solar system, planets, and also earth. Earth only, all the living things are living on the earth. Human being, plants, animals. Now the earth is a home of all the living things. Earth is the home of all living things because it is surrounded by the air. The surrounded by the air is called atmosphere. Atmosphere. It is surrounded for a layer of air. Can you able to follow? The earth is surrounded by air. Layer of air is called atmosphere. Now the earth is covered by water and also land. The earth is covered by land masses and water bodies. The earth is covered with land masses and water bodies. Land masses are called continents and water bodies are called ocean. Can you able to follow? Land masses are called continent. Land masses are called continent. Land masses are called continents. And water bodies are called oceans. So here how many continents are there? 7 continents. First one Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. Okay, these are the 7 continents. 7 continents. Okay, water bodies are called oceans. How many oceans are there? 5 oceans are there. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic and Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. Okay, these are the 5 oceans. 5 oceans and covered on the earth. So the earth is covered by land masses are called continent and also water bodies are called oceans. Now the earth, for a very long time, that is the ancient people thought that the earth is a flat. Earth is like a round. The earth is flat and had edges. 200 years, 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan, 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan Spain sailor and also explorer around the world and proved that the earth is round like a sphere. The earth is round like a spherical shape. Flat like a Okay, but it's a flattened at the top and also bottom. Flattened at the top and bottom. So you are a fruit for the people. The earth is a round like a ball. In fact, the earth is a round like an orange. The earth is like an orange, but slightly flat at the top and also bottom. Slightly flat at the top and also bottom. The orange, orange fruit. So it considered. And fruit for the people, that Magellan, fruit for the people, slightly flat at the bottom and also top. Now the globe and the map. Now you can see that the globe, it is a model of the earth. It is a model of the earth. But on the globe, we can see everything, but one part only we can see. We can't see at a time all the places, but only part we can see. And the globe also covered with land and also water bodies, land masses and water bodies. But the globe is very difficult to carry from one place to another places. It is very small size globe, but very big globe also is there. Can you able to follow? It is very difficult to carry from one place to another place. But map is there, very easy to carry and go. Okay, so there is a difference between the globe and map. But map at a time you can see all the places. At a time you can see all the places. Now the collection of the maps are called atlas. The collection of the map, the book is called atlas. Now on the map we can see all the places at a time. But a globe, we can't see all the places at a time. But we can see a part, half of the part we can see one time. Again half of the part we can see in the other time. Can you able to follow now the globe and also map? Now there are 4 main directions are there on the map. 4 main directions on the map. See now that the 4 main directions are north side, south side, west and east. So that the north side is the top and south side is the bottom. West side is the left side, east side is the right side. So these are the 4 main directions. And again, another important intermediate directions are there. Intermediate 4 directions, and again intermediate direction. Intermediate directions. Okay, see here, northeast, southeast, southwest. Okay, northwest. Directions are called intermediate directions. So here totally 8 directions. Main direction only 4. 4 main directions. What are the 4 main directions? North, south, west and east. Again, intermediate direction. What are the intermediate direction? Northwest, southwest, southeast, northeast directions. Now, here, near in the early time, the sailors and explorer. They used Marinus compass. They used to find out the direction. Suppose if they go on the sea, they wanted to use the Marinus compass to show the direction of the north. Always that Marinus compass use the direction of the north. That is like a cloth. Okay, now that is like a cloth. Here that north directions. This is called Marinus campus. So always it shows the direction for the north. If they come to know the north direction, the opposite side direction is the south side. Again, in the left side, west, and the right side is the east. So to find out the direction, that Marinus campus, the sailors use that Marinus campus to find out the place. Can you able to follow all of you? That is the direction of the map.